Today, we're trying on the Meta glasses. This is not just a pair of glasses. This is a piece of equipment that has been engineered by one of the biggest companies on earth to hide a display inside your glasses. It has a camera, a microphone, a speaker, an AI assistant, and a display that you can see through only on your glasses. Hear me out. For 60 years, humans have been trying to build computers in front of their eyes, inside one of the most crucial frames humans have ever invented, starting with the first head-mounted display in the late 1960s, known as the Sword of Damocles, which was a huge metal brick hanging from the ceiling and could only show simple wireframe graphics. And then the early 1990s, researchers officially introduced the term augmented reality and began testing bulky prototypes for aviation, manufacturing, and military training. And just a few years ago, in 2013, Google tried to change the world with Google Glasses, and it failed horribly. But why? Why on earth is this one different? Well, let me put it simply. This is actually the first pair of glasses that you can allegedly use in your daily life. And to prove that, we did a test. We went outside, talked to people, and tested it in real life.
But first, does it actually replace your phone? To answer that, we have to go back to when I got it first.
I got a delivery. After unboxing the glasses, I put them on to test them and see if I would ever need to use my phone. You can wear them while brushing your teeth or doing daily tasks without even thinking about it.
But before we go outside, we need to understand how the glasses actually work. If you take a screen and put it right in front of your eye, you actually wouldn't be able to see it. And the closer it gets to your eye, the blurrier it gets. So it's really difficult to have a screen right in front of your eye.
And that's because light from an object needs to bend through the lens of your eye and land correctly on the retina.
When an object is very close, the light rays spread out way too much, and your eye cannot bend them enough to focus it properly. Instead of meeting on the retina, the light focuses behind it, and the image becomes blurry. And actually, you can test this yourself. Just take any object, the closer it gets, the blurry the image gets, and you really can't focus anymore. But if there is a screen in this glass, how would I be able to see it if it's this close? Engineers came up with a very smart solution. Instead of having a screen in front of your eye, they placed a tiny projector inside the frame. The projector sends light through a small optical system built into the lens, and the optics redirect and shape the light so your eyes can see the image as if it is coming from further away. And this is how you can see both the display and the real world at the same time.
But the real question is, would I need to use my phone at all? For this test, I tried not to use my phone for the entire day. My car's engine padding needed to be fixed, so I got into my car, opened the map on the glasses, and started driving. And I can see the directions on the display while I was on the road. The first stop was Best Buy. And honestly, I was getting some looks. The frame is thicker than normal glasses, and the camera on the front makes it clear that they are not regular glasses. After that, I drove to Home Depot to get wood for my next project, which you should subscribe to see next. Then I went to fix the car. By that point, the glasses had already been running for several hours. While working on the car, suddenly the battery ran out.
Battery 5%. Charge soon.
Oof, 5%. Battery does really quickly.
And at that point, I really had to use my phone again.
Well, before testing the rest of the features, we need to understand where these glasses sits exactly compared to all these glasses. On one side, you have the regular glasses. It's very tiny glasses with a very regular frame that you can carry with you basically anywhere. People have been using these frames for a long time, so it's not something really weird. And on the other hand, there's the Apple Vision Pro that came out a few years ago, but it looks really bulky, and people tried so many times to use it outside, but it was really socially awkward. I think the Meta glasses comes right in the middle, where it combines both technology and regular glasses to become, with a slightly bigger frame, regular glasses, and that's where the Meta sits. Recently, I just got the Meta glasses, and some people would say this is just a gimmick, but actually we're out here today to test it in real life and see if this actually works.
Stepped in the light, tiny computer hiding inside, camera, speakers, AI replies.
So one of the useful things that you can actually do is to look at maps while you're walking, and I can go to maps, coffee shop, right? Now I can see all the coffee shops around me, which is good. That actually might be something useful. So yeah, I'm gonna use this for now.
We wanted to try the live translation, but we ran into an issue.
Do you guys speak Spanish?
No.
No? Okay, that's cool. Thank you. Hey, how's it going? Do you speak Spanish?
I do not.
Okay, that's cool. Thank you.
So what's the count so far? How many people?
I don't know. I don't care. I've been asking around. Apparently, you can't use the meta classes if there's no people speaking Spanish. There's only one language that's supported here. We didn't have any luck to test the live translation for now, but we have something else to test. We have one more test that we want to do, which is the call. And I'm going to call my friend here. I hope he can pick up. Let's see. Oh, well. Okay, do you see anything?
Yeah, there's.
Oh, okay. All right.
Try to speak.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Hell yeah, okay. That's perfect timing that I can now talk to you in a distance because I don't really want to talk to you in front of you. It gets really weird, and you know what? Let's just do Fridays, if that's okay. Okay, it did work, and I think it's excellent. That's a success. Well done. Okay, so I'm gonna play some music. Now, Spotify is connected. I'll be like walking around and listening to music, so alright. I don't think they know what music I'm playing, but
Right in your eyes, pops in the sky. Messages from these people walk by. No phone in my hand tonight. Right in your eyes, go back, knock down.
after testing all the features, I put the glasses aside for a while. I really want to talk about why did I get it on the first place. You see, in my right eye, I can't really see very well with this eye. It's a nearsighted eye, and the only way I can see with it is to get the object very close to me, and even with that, I wouldn't be able to see very well. My solution was to get glasses, and when I thought about it, if I'm gonna put on glasses, it should be the most advanced glasses that there was. It does really help with that condition, but having a display on it gives it some kind of a purpose. And since I got it, I've been filming all my daily stuff, like landing my first plane, skiing, or basically like cycling or anything. And it's been really fun to film your daily life and then go see it on your Meta glasses. So after a few months, I decided to go outside and talk to people and ask them what do they think about my glasses. I'm trying to find someone who speaks Spanish or French. Let's see how it goes. Hey Meta, what am I seeing? What am I seeing? All right, you ready? Demi, from now on, you'll only be speaking Spanish, okay? You're gonna speak in French. You don't have to be fluent, but...
It's pretty bad French, I'll be honest with you.
Tus zapatos están feas.
Shoes, they are ugly. My shoes are ugly?
No.
Dude!
I just wanted to see if you understood.
What are you saying?
I wanted to see if you understood.
Is this ugly? This is ugly?
No, your shoes
Dude!
are fine.
Je m'appelle Carter, comment ça va?
Okay, your name is Carter. Comment ça va? Which is, how are you, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
¿Quieres a expandir la funcionalidad a otros idiomas o solo por español?
Okay, you want to expand the function to other languages, or is it just Spanish? Is that what he said?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Okay, so, well, it does support Spanish and French. There's a very minimum list that it basically supports and doesn't support so many languages. What are you studying right now?
Electrical engineering.
In French. Is it the same?
That's how
Did you have breakfast? Tell me about your breakfast.
Oui,
Yes, okay.
j'ai mangé des eggs. I forget eggs. Dude, I'm sorry. This is like, I'm not
You're
good at
good,
French.
you're good,
Yeah. J'aime violet.
Jean Violet. It does not translate that.
We actually ended up talking for a while, and he told me his experience with contact lenses. The full podcast will be available on my Patreon, linked in the description.
So this is the end of the video. I really appreciate you guys watching the video, and it took me really long to make this video. So if you guys like it, I hope you can subscribe. And also, if you want to support, you can go to the description and sign up on the website. So with that, this is the end of the video. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe. There's so many things that you can't really do, which is very, like, this sucks.
I didn't really want glasses, so I was like, okay, I'm going to do contacts because a lot of people do contacts, like my dad.
Okay, I'll charge soon. It's a very long day.